Rylan is a superhuman. Can we get one good slam in this video? How did you not land that? All right, guys, we are here today with
Rylan.
He almost forgot his name. It was close. We're here today with Rylan, and we are going to answer the age-old question. Every beginning skateboarder goes through this. They start on their first day, and they want to do a shove it. So can a person learn to shove it on their very first day of skateboarding? Welcome to your first day of skateboarding.
Great.
We just taught you how to ride.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do exactly what you shouldn't do and try to do a shove it.
Oh yeah.
So
what's a shove it?
A shove it is a trick where you shove it.
Shove what? Like the skateboard?
Yes.
Your body like.
It's called
like
a shove it because your back foot goes like this and you shove it. So the board does a 180. It looks like this.
Oh, I thought you meant like you kick your board forward or something.
I mean, kind of.
Like shove your board.
Kind of, but you don't kick it forward, you
board.
kick it sideways and it does a 180. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this, may or may not. I would normally not teach a person to shove it on their first day, but you are an exceptional ability of a skateboarding, high ability first day level.
Yeah.
So take your back foot, which is your left foot, put it on the board, and then the way this actually works is your toes curl around the side and you shove it like that.
Oh, so it's like.
Just like that. So we gotta get your front foot out of the way, stand a little bit away and go like this. Yeah, good, just like that.
Am I supposed to like pick it up?
Chloe, what if he lands this on his first day?
I would be mind blown.
Chloe's gonna be mind blown if you land this on your first day.
Yeah.
I won't even be mildly surprised. Okay, back foot, shove.
Back foot, shove.
Yeah. Good. You can put it a little bit like, it's called the pocket. It's like this area of the board right here is called the pocket.
Okay.
You can push down a little bit and then like sideways. So it gives a little like, a little raise of the nose. Okay. Yeah, it does also help. I've seen people do this. Do it with your hands. To get the idea of it. Does that make sense? Yeah, just like that. So now do that same thing with your feet. But don't use your front hand can't be here pushing that way. It has to be like that on the top. Because your front foot is gonna be like that.
Okay. Can I shove it?
Good. I mean, that's the basic rotation. Even though it's spun, it doesn't totally matter. Because now, good, that was good.
Yeah.
You got that step?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Front foot on the board. Put your front foot on. Back foot on the tail like this. See how my back foot's like that?
Yeah.
Bend your knee. If you land and this knee is not bent, the likelihood of you going whoosh, wham, is very high. So let's watch for that.
Okay.
Front
knee.
knee.
You're nervous, bro.
Bent, back foot, and then you're gonna go like this. Step off with your back foot.
Where were you, Aaron?
I was right there. I caught the board, Rylan.
I got the board, Aaron.
Where were you?
I was right there.
Okay, front foot on, back foot, slide and step off. Good.
You got it.
Yeah, why did it take Chloe 11 years to learn this trick?
And I still don't have it.
Yeah, she does. She does have it. Okay, front foot on, shove the back foot. Good, good. You're getting it. We're this close.
We're this close, bro.
So now, keep that front foot on the board.
Keep that front foot on the board. Okay.
Good.
I gotta like.
Here's what you're doing wrong. All
Please
your
tell
weight
me.
is on your front foot. You want your weight to go to your back foot because you're stepping off. Later, it's going to be on the front foot, but for right now, you're transferring your weight from your front foot to your back foot as you step off. So I'm going to shove it and step off. Good, good, good. Remember, weight to the back foot. That was the worst one.
All right, weight to the back foot. I got you.
Weight to the back foot. Shove it, then step
Shove
off.
it, then step off.
Yeah.
I think like the one part that I'm having trouble with is like
Getting your foot around the side.
the shoving it. Yeah.
Okay.
Do the card trick.
When you're having trouble with that, you go back to just this one. I'm gonna see if while you practice that, I'm gonna see if I have a piece of paper we can do. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're gonna try this thing as seen on TikTok TV. let's go to these steps. So I got this piece of paper now. So good. So we're gonna put that there. You're gonna step with your back foot on that piece of paper, and you're gonna jump to that step, and you're gonna kick that paper back. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so this is a shove it motion. Good, but that paper didn't slide. You gotta slide that paper out. Slide that paper. Come on, really kick
Fine.
it. Good, now in sync with your jump. It's so interesting watching him do this. I guess my muscle memory is just so built in from 30 years of shove-its.
Bam!
Boom! I mean, whatever,
so
that's
close.
pretty good. But here, let me just try that.
There's
Let
so
me
much
just see
confidence.
how hard it is to... I literally almost fell and broke every bone in my body.
That's why you don't do
Did
that.
you see that?
Could you imagine if that's the way you went?
If that's the way What happened to Aaron? He was doing a shove-it tutorial. He passed away doing the paper trick.
There you
Okay?
go.
Boom! You got it. Now, do that on the board.
Like kick it back as I jump forward?
Yes! Exactly. Good. That is the correct motion. Okay, this is very fascinating because here's what's occurring. Because he has not yet ridden the board enough, because it's his first day, he's not yet comfortable. So he's standing on the board already just trying to figure out how to balance. And then we're trying to add in jump, shove the board, let it spin, keep your front foot on, have it do a shove it rotation, and land all in one day. And that's why I always say, just ride your board until you're fully comfortable. That way, you don't have to think about where's my balance, what's happening there, and you can do the tricks. But Rylan is a superhuman. Some call him Skate God, version 2.0. That's pretty close, honestly. Let's see if you can get it down to this.
I got you. I can do that.
Just swing those toes, swing those back toes. It's all in the shove it. Oh my word!
What? Is that bad?
Really close.
Well, we stop being worried about that board. If this board gets hit in traffic today, it will be the greatest day in Braille skateboarding history. Okay, we're not doing tray flips. Calm down.
What is a tray flip? I'm sorry, bro.
Okay, front foot on, back foot, shove the board. Okay, you might not like this, but I think we're at the point where I'm gonna hold your hands to make sure you don't really hurt yourself. Shove and get both feet on the board. But now land it.
Now land, I got you.
Because I'm holding your arms up, just jump and keep both feet in the air and put them both back on. Go. You got it, bro.
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm gonna learn within the next 3 minutes. Can you move that so I don't actually hit it?
Okay, I think you got it. I don't
Watch
think
this,
you need
watch
me.
this.
Woo! He's close. Are you scared?
No.
Are you lying?
No. I'm overly confident. That's probably why I'm not getting it.
No. Jump and put both feet on there. But when you do put both feet on there, for the love of God, bend your knees. Okay, I'm gonna do another little drill with you. Okay, stand this way. Stand on the board, just both feet. Jump and bend your knees. Come on, bend your knees.
Bro,
Like,
no way.
Get your knees up in
we're
the air.
professionals.
You're like, jump and bend your knees. He goes, okay.
I understand
You think I'm
that
professional at
feeling.
this?
Bring him up, brother. You got it. You scared?
No,
He's definitely scared.
I'm not
He's afraid to admit that he's scared.
I'm never afraid to admit
Bend
that.
those knees. It's all about keep the knees bent. Okay, now when you jump, bend the knees in the air. Okay, you got it. That's good. It's getting better. So now, the point of that bend your knees is when you do the shove it, all you need to do is bend your knees in the air and put your feet back on the skateboard. Bro! For real!
Yeah.
Do a shove it. You can do a shove it. Okay. I think we need to do this practice step where you keep your front foot on.
Okay.
Just like that. It's amazing to think how many pieces are going on between the front foot, the back foot, the balance of everything, and the board turning. There's a lot going on. Okay, you got it. Do the practice step. Yeah.
What if I just practice like 180s? Practice 180s.
So you're saying
backside 180s.
So you're saying you can't shove it on the first day?
I can shove it on the first day, okay?
Okay,
Watch
let's
this.
do it.
I hate whenever people challenge me and then I have to do the challenge.
Bro, you're so close.
Yeah, we are.
What I'd like to do is if there's some kind of pole to hold on that you can hold your body weight up, like this maybe.
Okay, so like this. Hold on to this.
Yeah, because then, you know, you can jump. I think try and go this way. Go like I am, facing it.
Okay.
You gotta have your board a little bit away, and then you can go with the ball of your foot. That's one thing I didn't really tell you about. So your ball of your foot there, and then your back foot on the tail, and then you're gonna jump and do the shove underneath you. But you have this as your safety, right? So same way, but you need to be facing it.
Oh, facing it.
Yeah, here. Front foot, back foot. Now, okay, I think he's got it. When you jump,
Yeah.
go with your ball of your foot on your front foot. The ball is this part.
Okay.
So you're gonna jump off the ball of your foot. You see how my front foot is very close to the board the whole time and the back foot is sliding it back?
Yeah.
Keep it that way. Good again. That was good, that's close.
Okay, this is kind of stopping me. You mind if I don't use this?
I think you're close.
I feel like I got it.
I want you to be able to do this
Oh, I'm supposed to be further out.
and land.
I was like so close to it that it was
Yeah,
saying
get
that.
further out. But
Okay,
see if
never
you can
mind.
do it and land. Good, that's close. Now you gotta do that and get your back foot on there. Ready? Watch my feet. Just watch closely. See, watch my back foot, toes. That was it. Now do that again and put both feet on.
Bet.
Both feet. Bet, no cap.
No cap, bro.
Bro, what are you doing?
I didn't mean to.
How did you not land that?
I don't know.
Okay, that was perfect. Do it again. You see how that feels?
Yeah, it feels awesome.
No rail. Do it without the rail.
Okay. Watch this. Watch this. Bam.
I think he's gonna do it, Chloe.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not even gonna help him. He was so close, he should have landed. I just let the board go. So that's on you. Oh my word!
Yeah.
Okay, now, you know what?
Know how to dive
All that
somebody
left? Land it. Okay, okay.
I need to do it with like more power, more
Yeah. A
precision.
little bit more.
That was a body 180.
More with the foot. Come on now. Bro, you got it.
Yeah, dude.
Stop playing games.
All right, bet. I'll stop playing games with you.
I'm gonna do a practice set with you. Stand off your board, put your back foot here, and then you're gonna kick my hand. Stand like that, near the board. Hand, kick it. Good again. Good again. Good again. Again!
Ah!
Like you mean it!
Ah!
No, stand on the board and do that. Do that motion. You land this right now, you little mother. Beep!
Yes, sir.
Bro, land that! That was good!
I'm so close.
Bro, what
That
are
was
we
so
doing?
close.
Okay, kick my hand.
Bam.
Kick it.
Bam.
Like you mean it.
Bam.
Back.
Back.
You're
Bam.
trying to go that way, you need to go that way.
Bam.
Ow, okay, that was good.
I was so close. I like landed that for a second.
It's so close. It's good, I can tell he's getting it because he's landing both feet. Woohoo! Let's
You're
go!
bored, but that
Woo! All right, do it again.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
Dude,
Okay.
You're acing it. You're nailing it.
Yeah, no cap, bro.
Good. I think what will help you is your back foot. Your position is sort of like this. Just go, just like with the toes. It's mostly, here's the motion, is it's in your ankle, like that.
Okay.
It's that motion with your ankle is really fast. That was good. Can we get one good slam in this video? Like, for the love of, like, can you just fall really hard?
No.
Why
board.
is the helmet on? Bro! Bro, what was it? Okay, more shove. Back foot.
I did fall.
How was that not a fall? Why does this kid not slam? I'm like,
'Cause I grew up
one
with
good
a brother.
slam. You got it, bro.
Yeah,
Bend
I
your
do.
knees and commit. There it was. That was it.
A little bit.
Okay, remember what I said about balls of your feet. Jump off the balls of your feet. Oh! Leave your feet on there. Bro! What are you doing?
It's
That's
just my
right
front
there.
foot. Okay, never mind.
What's amazing to me is he's like, I can't believe it's taking so long. We've literally been trying for about a half an hour. And we're saying like landed on your first day. We're a half an hour in. Not a day. You're really close. You just need to put your back foot there, jump, fully commit. And you gotta do some practice like this. More, back foot, more. Back foot only. Yeah, back foot only. Back foot only.
I feel like I look stupid.
You do look stupid.
Ah!
Skateboarding looks stupid.
Yeah!
Stupid out here.
Yeah!
Okay, now do that on the board and land. Okay, that was it.
How long did it take you to do this shove it?
3 seconds.
I kind of expected that.
I literally stepped out of the womb and did a shove it.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm not sure if he's joking or not.
I feel like you aren't though.
There it is!
Yeah!
There it is!
Gotta land it.
This is your last lesson.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, we can try that. That's what we didn't teach him, popcorn.
Popcorn.
Okay, put your feet like this, underneath,
Yeah.
and jump on. Come on now. This is the missing ingredient, because he hasn't been able to jump on the board yet. Come on, popcorn that. Bro, stay on there.
Bam.
Bam! What time is it? This man
I
did
don't
a
have my phone
popcorn
on
on
me.
his first day! Good, good. Now just a little more shove and you got it. Whoa!
Wasn't exactly 180 though. Watch this, right here.
Lean back when you land. That way, yeah. Then, into the air. And then put it down. Yeah, because you can, now on this one, what you're essentially doing, maybe we should go back to this. Stand on one foot like that, and just give it a little hop. That's essentially what you're doing. Just a little tiny hop. Okay, now you're gonna do that exact same thing with the shove it. You're landing it with your weight on your front foot on this trick. Bro, it's right there.
I know it's right there.
More like in the next 5 tries.
Yeah, exactly.
In a line? Woo! Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah!
First day, first shove it. That's
Ah!
right.
Yeah!
Okay, that was really good.
Yeah, it was.
You did a shove it on your first day.
Yeah, I did.
Chloe didn't believe you at all. She thought for sure you would never get it.
Yeah, Chloe, thanks.
How do you
Thanks
like
for
that?
the support.
All right, well that was awesome.
Yeah, it was.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
It was fun, yeah?
Yeah, it was.
Well done.
Thank you.